Welcome to our tutorial on how to use search filters in Gmail with the updated features. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Start by opening the Gmail app on your Android phone. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the search function. Step 2. Tap on the search bar located at the top of the screen. This is where you can input keywords to search for specific emails. Step 3. Enter what you want to search for in the search bar. You can type in keywords related to the email you are looking for, such as sender's name, subject, or specific content. Step 4. Just below the search bar, you will find a panel displaying different filter options. These filters are designed to help you refine and narrow down your search results based on specific criteria. By utilizing these filter options, you can streamline your search and quickly locate the emails you are searching for. Experiment with different filters to find the most relevant results and manage your inbox more efficiently. Enjoy exploring the updated search features in Gmail to enhance your email searching experience and stay organized.